Gucci tops, Versace tops, caps, whatever. No, you can feel it. You will never be satisfied. The heart needs to be satisfied by the connection with Allah. We need to get to know Allah. What does that mean? What do I mean by get to know Allah? Because this is one of the biggest tragedies of modern times. We're practicing Muslims or non-practicing Muslims or non-Muslims. The biggest tragedy. I really feel strongly about it. If I ask any of you, do you believe in Allah? And you say, of course I do, bro. Yeah? Of course I do. Of course I believe in Allah. What kind of silly question is that? But do we really know Allah? Have we really got to know Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? And getting to know Allah does not mean like a 10-second Instagram reel. That's insulting to Allah. Just for example, you can go to YouTube, you could do research, you could read a book or ask anybody, what are the cosmological constants in the universe? What are they? What's the significance of the planet Jupiter with the Earth, right? The lunar tides of the moon. What is all this? These are indications, brothers and sisters. Indications that there's a beautiful, intricate design. There's a beautiful design. There's order in the universe. And where there's order, where there's design, there's a designer. And the designer is Allah.